Hi everyone, welcome back to the violin build. Today in the previous video I was practicing a purfling corner, which turned out well, and today I'm going to show you my purfling cutter and explain a little bit about it. Here's the purfling corner that I recently did in the last video, and so I just wanted to talk about the purfling cutter for a bit. So this is a cheap one off of Amazon, and overall it works. It's pretty good. The blades, as they come, are not good. They are sharpened to a sharp, round, needle-like point, which is no good for making purfling. So what I did is I ground off the tip and sharpened it to a knife edge. This side is flat, so it's a single bevel, and that cuts the purfling channel really well. The interesting thing about this blade, and it actually comes with 4 blades. I sharpened this one as well. I need to resharpen that one. It's a little too steep of an angle, but I found that it works better with a shallower angle like this. And the interesting thing about these blades is they're actually the same thickness as the purfling. So that's 1.3, and the purfling should also is also 1.3. So what that means is that if I cut one groove with the flat side and a single bevel, if I cut the groove, all I have to do is turn it around 180 degrees like that and cut the other groove, and then the purfling channel will be the correct width for the purfling. So what I'm also doing is I'm using the other blade, the flat end, as a depth stop. So I put it in the purfling cutter like this, and and I set it so that the blade extends only the length of the purfling, like that. So it won't cut any deeper than the purfling needs to go. And also, I have 2 more blades. Well, I won't bother pulling those out, but I have 2 more blades like this one, but what I did on those is I blunted the tip a little bit so that I can use it as a marker without actually cutting any of the wood fibers. And so I've got sort of a dual purpose blades. Those blades for just marking and blades for cutting. So I just wanted to show you that, to show you how my purfling cutter works. One more thing about this, as it comes, it has this radius, which is too big of a radius to fit into some of the tighter corners, like the upper bout. If you try to fit it in there, well, that one's okay, but in some cases it has a little bit of a gap, so it doesn't quite fit. So what I did is I radiused this side to a smaller radius, and I did that on a belt sander, and so that works a lot better. Anyway, I just wanted to show you how my purfling cutter works, and so now I'm going to start purfling the plate, or cutting the channel. I've already started, and I did some of that off camera because it takes some concentration and some focus, and I didn't want to get distracted by setting up the camera and trying to think about camera angles and all that. So I'm going to continue on deepening the channel. It's not deep enough yet, and I'll be working on the corners, and I'll show some of that in the next video. So that wraps it up for this one. I just wanted to show you the purfling cutter and explain a little bit about how it works and how the blades are shaped. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.